Hello, DJ Chloe. I am an avid listener of your program for a decade now. I learned a lot from your pieces of advice with your letter senders. I am a mom of two young professionals, 29 and 25. Both have great jobs. The 29 years old is female and currently doing her PhD in Belgium. Every time she will be attending conference in her country, while she's in Belgium, I always asked her to send me her ticket and the place that she will be staying. Tomorrow she will be in Scotland and I asked her to send me her details. I was shocked when she replied in not the thing I am expecting. Ang sabi niya, marami akong biyahe these next few weeks. Hindi ko sure kung maalala ko lagi na i-text sa'yo ano ang flight o train ko or address ko. Baka maalala ko pag nandun na ako. Sana may tiwala ka din sa akin na hindi ako gagawa ng bagay na makakapahamak sa akin. I will give your number to my colleague. Don't worry, I'll tell them to contact you for any emergencies. Na-shock talaga ako, Chloe. I am so hurt. Mali ba ako na as a mother, gusto ko lang na FYI lang kung saan ang mga anak ko. Letter sender, Duday. Hi, Duday. Parehas tayo. Malalaki na ang mga anak and, you know, have learned or learning to fly on their own. I totally understand where you're coming from. Kasi tayong mga parents, especially mothers, kahit nga may mga puti na sa buhok ang mga anak natin, kahit wala na sila sa atin nakatira, kahit they're already, standing on their own, ang tingin talaga natin sa kanila pagkaharap natin sila ay yung maliit na bata pa. Alam mo yon, yung memory natin, kung ano itsura nila nung bata pa sila, yun talaga yung nasa loob pa rin ng isip natin every time kausap natin sila. So I totally get you. In fact, feeling ko nga mas malala pa ako sa'yo kasi ako, nagre-require pa ako ng proof of life. Proof of life, send picture, sino kasama, nasaan. And sa akin nakakatulong ng malaki and it would really be a big help if you could, convince your children, not just dito sa letter sender natin, your children, yung mga nakikinig po sa atin. Kasi alam ko meron ng mga Google location sharing. If you're an iOS user or iPhone user, merong lahat kayo naka-iPhone, merong Find My Phone. So, you can check the locations doon ng bawat isa kahit nasa ibang planeta pa yan, makikita mo. And from there on, medyo kahit papano, na kakabawas ng pangamba ng isang magulang, no? Kasi live na nakikita mo. Although minsan may mga delay yan, especially pag nagpatay ng data yan, pero kahit papano, no? Pag naka-on naman yung data nila, makikita mo yung mga live locations nila. And it helps na hindi ka natanong ng tanong. Although magtatanong ka pa rin para just to confirm ba na nandito nga, ganyan. Pero at least makikita mo. So, I totally get where you're coming from. It's the mother's yung worry ba, kahit alam mo naman sa sarili mo na napalaki mo ng tama ang mga anak mo, pero minsan kasi there are so many things that's already out of our control. We can only do so much. We can only control so much. I mean, we can only do so much. Maraming bagay na out of our control na. Okay? And that is when I will tell you that a lot of prayers will really help. We really have to keep praying for our children. Ganun talaga. So, respect, hindi mo pipili yan eh. Respect what she said. Wag ka na lang magalit, wag mo na lang sabayan. Because I believe naman that your children you've raised them well and they're intelligent kids and eventually, maiintindihan naman nila yan. So siguro, hayaan mo na lang siya muna, sabihin mo na lang sa kanya na, okay, sige, but just let me know when you're comfortable or ready. If you're settled already, just let us know kami ng papa mo kung nandun ka na at settled ka na. Nasa kumbaga, arrived safely ka na. Yun lang naman. Kumisan kasi may mga bata na feeling nila we don't trust them. It's not that we don't trust them. It's just that gusto lang natin, alam natin yung whereabouts nila kasi, nga naman, di ba? If something happens, abay, saan ka nga naman magsisimulang maghanap, di ba? But in this time and age, digital age, marami ng bagay na makakatulong sa atin para, kumbaga, maibsan yung mga pangamba natin sa mga ganitong bagay. So, just give her time. Mag-aano din yan, magko-concede din yan, especially if ma-explain mo sa kanya ng maayos na it's for our own safety. Hindi naman to para bantayan ka or kontrolin ka, but you're out of the country and me and your dad, we're just worried and we just want to know if you're okay. So there are ways of saying things, and sometimes it's not what you say, but it's how you say things. I'm sure magsusoften up din naman yan. Napalaki mo nga ng maayos, 'di ba? So, yung mga yan, minsan tinetest din nila yung sarili nilang mga freedom ko, no? Pero at the end of the day, pag meron ng mga challenges din yan sa buhay, babalik din yan sa'yo. Sisigaw din yan ulit ng ma. And then they will realize, ma! They will realize na all along, tama si mama. So, allow them to, experience a little freedom and eventually, mag-aano rin yan sa'yo. Mag-a-advise, mag-i-inform, and mag-a-update. Okay? Huwag ka lang magsawa. Hindi naman tayo nagsasawa sa pagiging nanay. Alam mo yun, no matter how old our children get, kumbaga, ang nanay ay nanay pa rin. Ang magulang ay magulang pa rin. Hindi tayo tumitigil sa pagiging magulang. So, alalay lang. Eventually, mag-update din yan sa'yo. Tingnan mo. Sometimes, sa akin, nakakatulong yung what do you call this? Reverse psychology. Diba? Parang gawin mo na lang parang medyo nonchalant to, diba? Nonchalant. Okay, sige. Once you're settled, let us know na lang if nakarating ka na sa hotel, ha? Diba? Tapos pag nag-update siya, ano nga ulit yung pangalan ng hotel mo? Tapos 'di ba makikita mo naman yan sa Google, 'di ba? Meron ng yung mga live na makikita mo yun. I heard, ang ganda dyan sa hotel mo, ganyan. I totally get you. I totally get where you're coming from. So, God bless you, mommy. Relax ka lang. And just keep praying for your kids and ask God to, always protect them and to send His angels para bantayan ang mga anak mo. God bless you and thank you for your letter.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.